Hey guys, now that you have created your style guide and built your sitemap, it's time to begin the process of designing your web pages. The first step in a successful website design is to have a well-organized plan and layout in place before beginning the design and development process. To do this, you will start by creating wireframe layouts of all of your web pages. A website wireframe is a visual prototype of a web page that focuses on content, layout, and behavior. It doesn't include any styling, color, or graphics. It's like a blueprint to a house that shows the plan for plumbing and electricity without the interior design. Wireframes are simple layouts and visually show the approximate location for all the graphics, photos, videos, headings, and text on each page. There are several wireframe builder programs available like Balsamiq, Figma, InVisual Design, but I highly recommend using a software called Sketch. Sketch is a full-function design program that not only allows you to create quick wireframes, but also any other graphics, print materials, web pages, and even logo designs. At only $99 for a lifetime access, it is much cheaper than alternative to Photoshop or Illustrator while still providing all the features you need. Plus, it's the design program that I personally use most and will be demonstrating in this course. Completing this initial wireframe step in the design process will allow you to quickly make any adjustments to content placement and make the final design and development process much quicker. You want to design the layout of your pages so they create a story that leads the visitor through a journey to a call to action. Here are 6 pro tips to building an effective website sales page. Number 1, highlight the problem that your training program solves. Remember, people are coming to you for help, so you want to highlight this question at the top of your page so they know that they have found what they are searching for. Number 2, explain the benefits of your workouts and training programs. This is where you explain how great your training programs are and why they are better than your competitions. Number 3, define who your training programs are for. This is your target demographic. You want your visitors to feel comfortable and that they have found the right place. Number 4, let your visitors know why your training programs are so effective and what are the results they can expect. This is the perfect time to add some testimonials, before and after photos, or social proof if you have them available. Otherwise, simply explain what makes your training programs different and effective. Number 5, now that you have explained the training programs, you want to show your visitors what's included in your training programs. Use mock-ups of your training guides and show your videos on a laptop and mobile devices so the visitor can see everything they're going to be getting. Use bullet point lists to describe each of the individual items they will be receiving to make the programs look complete and substantial. Number 6, lead them to a call to action. This is where you provide your offer, display the price, and give the visitor opportunity to click on a buy now button or complete the purchase through an on-page form. When designing your wireframes and web pages, try to get as much important content, including a call to action button, above the fold. This is the area on the top of the page that is visible when the page loads before the user begins to scroll. And listen up guys, because this is one of the most important things you must do, and I cannot emphasize this enough. Your web page must work on mobile devices. Current statistics indicate that over 65% of your website visitors will be using a mobile device to access your website. Therefore, you want to be sure that your website is accessible, easy to navigate, and offers an enjoyable user experience regardless of the device. As I mentioned before, you want to add a call to action above the fold and then strategically place additional call to action buttons throughout the page so there is always one visible while the visitor scrolls through the page. Remember to keep these wireframes simple. Don't get bogged down with design elements like page copy and colors at this point. Use lorem ipsum text and image placeholders for now. You can swap them out later in the page design process. This wireframe step will save you tons of time later in the design and development stages, so please do not skip this process. Creating these initial wireframe layouts will also help you determine the flow and navigation for your website. So that's it guys, let's start building those wireframes by downloading and completing the action plan below, as well as any additional tutorials, resources, and templates for this module. As always, if you have any questions, please let me know. I am here to help.